Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Alright guys, so gonna be needing banana, and here I have a local banana straight from the farm. Our local banana used to be very short. Sometimes it used to be very fat and short, but this particular one didn't get fat, but pretty short, and it's really organic. Okay, so banana is a great moisturizer to the skin, so it's going to help to remove wrinkles, and it's going to help to improve the skin elasticity, therefore making your skin look younger and more radiant. Okay, alright, so for the banana, we're just going to peel it up. And then we would have to either mash it or blend it. But blending it is going to make it look smooth, so I would take the option of blending. So I'm going to transfer the banana into the bowl. Okay, so we'll transfer it back into the plate. Then we're gonna be needing potato. So I have here some little tiny potato. Now potato contains a lightening property that helps to shrink or remove wrinkles and fine lines. It therefore helps to get rid of pigmentations, and it also helps for dark spots. So it's gonna be very important in moisturizing the skin and also in removing all unwanted problems on your skin. The potato, okay, so I'm gonna be using this 2 potato because this one is actually too small, although it can still go, because if you're using it on your face you probably would not be needing too much. So I'm going to be cutting this into pieces. And I'll also blend it, okay? so properly blended, and these three ingredients is basically what we need to remove wrinkles or to prevent wrinkles. Okay, so after putting that, then you're going to stir it and mix very well. And then we're going to be making use of egg. Now, egg is a natural skin tightener. It glows the skin as well as polish it up. It helps to tighten up the skin, reducing the size of large and open pores, and it also firm up sagging skin. So it's going to help to remove wrinkles, diminishes the appearances of fine lines, and it also reverts an aging skin. And then we'll be needing the egg. So we're going to be putting the egg whites, oh my goodness, into the treatment. So I'm going to turn the white of the egg in and return the yolk. Now it's set, and this is how it looks like. Stir and turn all of the ingredients together. Alright, so it's set and it's actually looking really friendly. Now for this treatment, you can actually store it in your refrigerator for 3 days, and you use it continuously for 3 days, and you're going to see a huge result. Okay, so this 3 ingredients is gonna save you from wrinkles, fine lines, age spots, dark spots, and all of that. And it looks really friendly. Look at that. It looks really friendly. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying it with a brush. Ooh, really cooling. Like, you know, using using banana on your skin. Like, seriously, like, are you kidding me right now? So cooling. So you're gonna spread it onto your face generously. You generously spread it onto your face. Okay. So after you spread it all up on your face, then you can as well just scrub it. Okay, you can as well just scrub it. So you just use your hand to scrub, but if you don't want to scrub, you can hold it on your face for a couple of minutes, like 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it's just going to help you to glow your skin. Now if you don't have wrinkles, okay, or you don't have fine lines or problem on your skin, use this, because prevention is better than cure. It's better you prevent it from coming than waiting for it to come before you comb and before you cure it, okay? So after 3 to 4 minutes, then you can wash it off. By then it's going to look as if it's going to dry, but of course it's not going to dry like completely because of the banana. You know, banana does not actually dry like that on the skin, except you hold it on for too long. Even if you hold it on for too long, it's still not going to dry like completely very tight and stuff. But this is just going to, you know, clear off all of your blemished skin, and you are gonna be glowing. Okay, so that's it. Those are the 3 natural ingredients that helps you to remove all wrinkles. There are other ingredients that works for wrinkles, but this is also very perfect. Try it and let me know how it is on your skin. Okay, so if you're new here, subscribe and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button. Leave your comments below and please share this video, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye guys, and stay flawless.